Thank you all for coming. Can you say the question again, please?
What was the best lesson that your parents taught you before you embarked on showbiz?
I would say the best lesson that my parents taught me is always make the best of things, no matter how difficult things may seem, because it just makes everything a lot easier and stuff like that.
Hello po. Thank you for the question. I'd say, coming from my mom, she always told me to always be yourself and to never hide who you are, no matter how you are, and just always be real. Yeah.
Hi guys, thank you all for coming. Sa akin naman po yung dad ko, lagi niya lang ina-advise sa akin na stay humble, laging kung saan ka galing, yun lang lagi ang iisipin mo at mahalin mo lahat ng taong sumusuporta sa'yo. Yun lang po, thank you.
Hi guys, so for me, I think my parents just always have told me to take every opportunity you can get. Going into Viva alone, of course, I was reluctant, but then with their support and their advice, I took the chance, and I'm really grateful that I did.
Hi po sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon po. For me, yung advice ng dad ko na I always take with me is yung to stay humble and always treat everyone with respect, especially sa set. Yan lang. Thank you.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming. I think the number one thing that my parents tell me is to stay grounded, stay humble, and to be positive, because it's super easy to be affected by all the negativity nowadays, lalo na sa social media. So, yun talaga, they always remind me to be positive.
That was wonderful. Okay, hello guys, I'm Jaime. So, I've gotten a lot of advice from my family, but one thing that really stuck to me was to appreciate the moment and make sure to work hard for the future, because in this industry, everything can come so quickly that you forget that you also have to work hard for the future that you want to live in. And some of us, since we're all young, we can get stuck in the jewelry of show business that we tend to forget the future that we need to focus on. So that's something that I stick with me.
Pasensya na po, lang dalang dictionary eh. Siguro po yung tinuro po ng parents ko na maging humble lang at syempre treat everyone with respect. Dahil lahat naman ng nasa set, mga arte, production team, ay nagtatrabaho lang naman po kagaya natin. Yun lang po.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss MJ. And next we have Miss Charmy